Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome again.
Before starting the new lecture, here is the recap of the last video questions. You can check your spelling.
Students, in last lecture we have done editing and deleting cell contents. Hope you have learnt your work. Now today we will study copying and moving data. Copying and moving data. Excel provide various ways of copying and moving data from one part of the worksheet to another. As you know, copy means you will have finally after making the copy you will have two things, and in moving you will have only one thing. If you make a copy of the book page, you will have two pages like we do with the worksheets. And cut paste means if you have cut a picture from a magazine and pasted somewhere else, you will have only one thing. Okay, clear? Copying cell contents, you can copy data from one location to another using copy and paste method. This is done in Word. You have earlier done in Word. We will do for Excel as well. Copy and paste command on the Home tab. This method uses the command available on the Home tab by following the steps below. Select the range of the cells to be copied. Again, when you want to do anything, you have to select first. Click the Home tab. Click Copy in the Clipboard group. Remember, it will be in the Clipboard group. You will see a dotted line around the selected cell. Dotted line. Got it? You can see in the picture as well. Click on the upper left cell of the range where you want to copy the data. Click the drop down menu arrow of the paste command. The different paste option appear on the screen. You can see option on the screen. There are different multiple options. You can as you move the mouse pointer over each option of the paste command, you will see a live preview of what the paste data would look like. Okay, click the required option. The selected data is copied to the new location. Sometimes we only want to copy the data, not the formulas. Here you know that in Excel we use formulas. So if we want to only copy the values, we have the option. If we want to copy only formatting, we have the option. If we copy only the formulas, we have also the options. So these options we can from these options we can select. Using context menu, this is the other way. Select the range of cell to be copied. Right click to the selected range and click copy in the context menu. Right click on the cell where you want to put the data. Click the required paste option in the context menu. Here are the shortcut. For copy is Control C and for paste is Control V. We will read it Control, but when we write it, we will write CTRL. Keep it in your mind. When you will write in the paper, you will write CTRL, not whole control spelling. Now, top tips. You can also copy data by the drag and drop method. It is another method. Press Ctrl and position the cursor at the border of the selected range so that a small plus sign appear next to the cursor. While holding down the control key from the keyboard and the left mouse button, drag the range to the target location. The data get copied when you release the mouse button. And while doing this, you have to be careful because when you release the mouse button or the keyboard button, you will not able to do this. Moving cell contents. You can move cell contents from one location to another by using cut and paste. Cut and paste button on the Home tab. To move data using the command on the Home tab, do the following. Select the range of cells to be moved. Click the Home tab. Click Cut in the Clipboard group. Cut, copy and paste. These three are will be found in the Clipboard group. ठीक है? You will see a dotted line around the selected cell. Whenever you select the cells, range of cell or a single cell, there will be a dotted line. Click on the upper left cell of the range where you want to move the data. Click the paste button, the selected data is moved to the new location. You can see the pictures. They have selected cells from column A and B and moved to column D and E. You can see in the pictures. Context menu. By using context menu, you have to follow these steps. First is select the range of the cell to be moved. Right click the selected range and click cut in the context menu. The third option is right click on the cell where you want to move the data. Click a paste option in the context menu. You have to note that the paste command is available only if you have copied or cut some data. If you don't cut data, you will not found this paste command available. Here are the shortcuts. Cut is Control X and Control V is for paste the data. Here we have practice time. Students, if you have system unit at home, either PC or the laptop, and you have Excel 2013, please do practice it from your book. And if you don't have, don't worry, inshallah we will do it in the lab very soon. Now students, we will write descriptive type questions. First question is, what is the difference between copying and moving a cell range? You can write in your own words. I am going to give you the simple answer. Copying a cell range means to duplicate a particular cell range at another location. Moving a cell range means to cut the range from the original location and paste it at another location. Now question number 2 is how to copy by the drag and drop method in Excel. You can find the answer on book page number 144, top tip. You can also copy data by the drag and drop method. Press Ctrl and position the cursor at the border of the selected range so that a small plus sign appears next to the cursor. While holding down the Control key and the left mouse button, drag the range to the target location. The data gets copied when you release the mouse button. One more thing, you have to write CTRL instead of Control, and you can write this answer in points.